I can't speak in front of any opposite gender, but I am today in front of everyone speaking. So that is a thing you can also do. If I can do it, you also can do it. And
Abdul Kalam did a lot of hard work to become successful. He never lose hope. If you are stuck anything in life, don't be stuck. Don't be hopeless in life, because many challenges.
Board exam. I failed in every exam. English, Hindi, Maths, Science, SST, GK, Computer.
Just enjoy it. That problem gives you so much knowledge. That problem gives you so much learning power.
Do not lose your hope, because the day you are going to lose your hope, you are going to become a cold human who has no meaning in this life.
the feeling came inside. Feeling used to come inside that, oh my God, I am not supposed to think anything. I am not supposed to be inspired. Like I am not motivating. I am like this happens in our life, that we are sitting like this and we have no hope. But my dear friends, this is not what's supposed to be. In life, there will be many setbacks. There will be many hopeless situations in which will come in our life. But we have to move on, right? I want to ask Anamika, like, is there any situation which came in your life previously but you handled it? I want to ask you. So, did you feel at that situation, what was your like thinking? That you must be thinking like, I can't handle it, right?
Yes.
But later on, what happened? You just move on. I want to ask Khushi that what happened when there was a situation in your life that you were like, oh my God, what happened? I can't move on, but still you move on, right? And we feel that we are hopeless. But I want to tell you, according to my experience, that first acknowledge your failures. Like if the failures came into your life and you are like, oh my God, what will happen? It is just for your teaching. Okay. Yes. Failure is like, it will teach you, because it's the hint that you are not prepared yet. Okay. So just take the failure and the things like it is for you, that you want to be perfect. It has just come to your life that it want to teach you. Okay. And the second thing is like, be grateful. Because if I will give you one situation, okay, Abhishek, you are here?
Yes, I am here.
You are here. Okay, I give you one situation that there will be no failures in your life. Okay, and I have just like removed all your failures, and I called you on the stage one day of Happiness Institute, and I told you that inspire people. Would you be able to inspire them?
Yes, I am.
But you haven't faced any failure. How would you inspire? Like someone who has faced failures, how will you motivate him? Because you haven't faced any failure. Will you be able to inspire them?
Yes.
Still you will be able to inspire them. How? Tell me. Okay, let me clear it. You will be inspired more with that person who has faced failure, or you will be inspired more with that person who haven't faced any failure. Tell me. Exactly. So this is what I am trying to say, that you will be more inspired with that person who has faced failure. So always be grateful for it. And we have seen lots of example. I want to ask Khushi that who is your favorite celebrity? So I think that helped her to be more successful, right?
Yeah, right.
So that is what I am trying to say, my dear friends. Like failure is not like you have to be stuck in that. You have to be like that. It is an opportunity for you to be more successful. Okay, and you can set failure as a comeback. Take time. Take like 1 month, 2 months, think about it, that what mistakes I have done in my life for which I have got some failures in my life, and then move on. Like, and you have to surround yourself with positive people. Like here, if you will come after me and you are not able to speak, you can ask some people like, you can ask some people in that situation that how you were able to speak. You can ask those people that how you were able to speak so great. So like that, you need to take the feedbacks. It's not like you will be like hopeless that I can't do anything. If I tell you about my example, I was the person who haven't speak on my school as well as in my college. I was the person who was so shy that I can't speak in front of any opposite gender. But I am today in front of everyone speaking. So that is the thing you can also do. If I can do it, you also can do it. And that's all for now. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity to speak on the topic of never be hopeless.
Yes.
So why you lose hope? You did a lot of hard work, a lot of struggle to become successful, and when you get poor result, you lose hope. Why? You can do. You can show to the world. but you lose your hope. I said, why you lose your hope? You can do much better. You know that you are unique.
Come on,
You are different from everyone. Then you lose hope. Why? You can do, and he never stopped working hard. He did a lot of hard work to become successful, and he did a lot of hard work to become successful. Because
Speak from there. Come on.
okay. Abdul Kalam did a lot of hard work to become successful. He never lose hope because he was so motivated towards their dream. He was so passionate towards their goal, and he becomes so famous personality. We know him as a true personality. So we should learn that never lose hope. Okay, you can do, and I know that everyone can do. I am also not perfect. I am also not perfect, but I try my best because I know that I can do, and I will do. When I come here, I thought that I cannot be a good speaker because I never faced this type of things in my life. But I never lose hope because I know that I can do, I can inspire people, I can motivate every girl because every girl and every boy can do everything in their life. Okay, so never lose hope. If I talk about to those students we have who are preparing for any exam like NEET and UPSC, they can also successful. They can also do. They can achieve their exam. They can crack their exam. But what they do, they just lose their hope. Why? You can do. You just need to do a lot of straight. You just need to a lot of hard work. Hard work is the key of success. So you just need to do hard work. You have to be passionate for your goals, for your dreams. Look at your father. Look at your mother. He is facing every difficulty to just see you become successful. And you are hopeless. Why? You can do and you will do. I know that everyone who is present here, everyone can do. If I can do, you can do. Everyone can do. So don't procrastinate your things. Focus on your goal and be grateful that you have this life. You can study. You can go anywhere where you want. You are just not focusing on your goal. So be focused. Okay? Thank you.
Good evening to all of you. My name is Harshit and today I am going to talk about, we all know about the Thomas Edison. Like he have lost around 1,000 times to make a bulb, but he still managed to make it. That's why we are here, like we have this bulb right now. But still he do work hard and he never never lose hope. Never lose hope. And he succeed. Like we all know, like many people loses their hope. Like I have seen, like in student time, students who prepare for the exam like IIT, JEE, and other, like many students lose their hope. They don't do work. They don't do hard work. Many of them who do suicide also. I don't know why they also do suicide. They lost. I also face this situation. I'm also right now also student. I have never done like this, like doing suicide like that. But I managed to do hard work during my school days. Then I go to after that my question is why people lose hope. Like if somebody have any answer to this question, like why people lose hope. Anybody? They don't achieve their goal. Okay. Lack of solution. So why there is no confidence? I want that answer, that why people lose their confidence. Like we all right now coming in this institute also, we have to develop that confidence to speak on the public. Like here also, like right now I am also speaking like this. I don't know how to say. Like I am also doing my best to speak here, but I am doing my best to speak. When a child born, he also never give up about when he doing like crawling on the floor. Then he, after few years, he then walk. Like the kid also not lose his hope while walking also.
Good evening everyone, I am Apurva Barandwal and I am going to tell you about Never Be Hopeless. So, firstly, I want to say that life is very beautiful. So, it's up to you to find the beauty in it. So, if you achieve anything in life, you need to work hard. You need to live with determination. You need to have patience. We can still to face challenges in life. We still fall. And you become hopeless. My friend. Hopelessness is the biggest enemy of your success. If you become hopeless, you lose everything in life. So I want to say that only one thing. If you stuck anything in life, don't be stuck. Don't be hopeless in life, because many challenges come and go, and many challenges come and go, and you feel ups and down in your life. So I want to say that only one thing: don't be stuck in your life, and continue to that one thing, and don't be stuck in your life. Don't feel hopeless, and don't give up.
So, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Abdur Rahman, and today's my topic is never be hopeless in your life. So, this is my first time I am doing this activity. When I was in 10th class, when I done my pre-board exam, when I done my pre-board exam, I failed in every exam: English, Hindi, Maths, Science, SST, GK, computer. When my PTM comes, then every teacher come in my classroom and say he will not pass in 10th class. He is not serious about the exam and studies. My father also listening this. He was so angry at that time, and I am so I was so fear of my father. What the scenario in my home now. My mother also waiting what I done in exam. Then everything is gone. Then I come to my home, and my father take my mobile phone, and my father took my mobile phone. Then he say, now you have to be work hard. अभी भी हो सकता है. You have to be serious. अभी भी हो सकता है ना. Then I passed in 10th class with 62%. My father say, how you do this? Never be hopeless. Okay.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Anamika, and as you know all, that I am going to tell about never be hopeless. Yes. Yeah. So, if you talk about life is what? Life is all of struggles. If you don't struggle in your life, that you are not living in your life like real world. So I want to say that if you are struggling and facing your problems and solving that problems, then you find yourself, and then you improve yourself, then you compete the world. So I would to say that you all you all need to that just live a life like if you have a problems in your life, just enjoy it and just enjoy it. That problem gives you so much knowledge, that problem gives you so much learning power. So if you are not in a problem, that you are not like living a life. So if you have problem, just enjoy it and solve it, because it gives you so much knowledge and learning power also. Then if you are stuck in this problem, if you are if you are facing a problem, then no, if you again facing that problem, then you know how to improve yourself, how to just going through it. Okay, so just focus on your focus on your problem. Don't be never hopeless. Like if you are not if you are not solving the problem, and you are you are in a hopeless situation, then you can't find yourself, then you can't find a life, then you can't enjoy your life totally. So I think you just need to improve yourself, then that means you never be hopeless.
Yes.
You just need to never be hopeless. If you are going to hopeless, then I think you are not adult. There is so much people in front of me, and they have so much problems in their life. In every condition, in every time, in every situation, you just struggling with some problems. But you are here today, and you are facing that problem, and you solve so much problems also. So you are you just know how to improve yourself. You just know how to
Very good, Anna.
how to get out in this situation. So I think just if you are facing a problem, that means you are so much you have so much guts. You have so much guts to just, you are not be able to hopeless anymore, and there is so much problems, and if you solve so much problems, then you never be a hopeless. You have that confidence that yes, I am going through it, I am never be hopeless. So I solve all the problems in my life.
And today I'm going to talk about a topic: never be hopeless.
Yes.
We all know that we all face challenges in our lives. In every day we face hardships, we face problems, and sometimes we just want to give up. We just want to have a
Speak loudly.
we just want to have a time. We just have times in ourselves. We just have some times in our days where we feel, I should give up, I should not move further because it is not working, and it might not work for me in future. So then hope whispers then the hope whispers in your ear that try one more time. Well, what is hope? Hope sometimes is something that all we have. We have a dream that we want to work on, but we feel demotivated. We feel that it is something that I cannot achieve. It is something which is out of my capability. It is something that if I try, I will fail. I will definitely fail. But it is hope that makes us keep going. If we do not have hope, if we don't have a hope that keeps us bind to our goals, then I don't think anyone would be able to achieve where they are right now. So if you are ever feeling hopeless,
Yes.
remember the times when you were so scared, when you were someone who thought that this thing or this exam or something that you thought was really, really difficult to achieve, but you achieved it anyway. Like riding a bicycle when you were a kid. You know how much we struggle. Someone is holding us from the back, and they just let us go while we just keep pedaling without seeing anywhere. We just close our eyes and we just keep pedaling. Why? Because we have hope in ourselves that if we won't stop, we will definitely keep going. So if you are someone who thinks that if this thing would not work for him, or if we try something in which you are going to fail, then don't worry. If something is not gonna work, something else will. Because it is life. We face hardships, we face challenges. There are gonna be challenges in every part of our life. If you are not going to hope, I don't think there is any meaning to wake up next day. So hope is everything. And if you are ever feeling so hopeless that you feel that it is time to give up, then always remember, there were times when you were a kid, you thought that if if you would stop studying, then there were times when you were kid, you thought I am gonna fail that exam because it is so difficult. Because when I was a kid, I used to think that maths is really a hard subject, but then I kept going, I kept working on myself, I keep struggling, but I still keep going because I knew if I would try, I had a hope that if I'm going to keep trying, then I am definitely going to achieve the thing that I want to achieve. And that's why I got great marks in my high school, just because I did not give up. And why didn't I give up? Because I wasn't hopeless. I had a hope which kept me awake, which kept me keep going. So it is hope that that keeps us going. It is hope that gives us light in the dark. It is hope that gave our ancestors to keep fighting for our freedom. So if you want to achieve something in your life, do not lose your hope, because the day you are going to lose your hope, you are going to become a cold human who has no meaning in this life. So I hope you like this speech. That it is for today, guys.